Okay, hi, we are Vision Quest, in short VizQ, and our project is the main client for this project is networking department of SCB, and the project is to give them an application for them to measure the performance of cell phone by interactive and flexible analysis. And during this project, we have learned a lot of things. So,
Okay, during this project, we learned a lot of programming and scripting language, like programming language such as LOB Flex, PHP, and a recap of our Java that we learned for the past 1 year. Yes, and also in this way, we also face a change during throughout our projects. We face a big change of our technology from a licensed commercial software called Panopticons to the Flex, because due to the incompatibles with our codings and also the unresolved issues of the technicals, so we decided to change to Flex. And why we do this change? Because it's an open software and we can find help much better. And also in this project, we also learn about in this project, we must also be prepared when we meet clients, because in this project we failed our first UAT. Oh, so sad to say that, but we must be proud to say that, because from there we learn a lot. Because from there we won't do a last minute of adjustment of codings and touch up of our applications. So everything is done a day before. So in this project, we also can see that we have such a strong bond with our teammates, and we teammates together, and this is a small logo here called Vision Quest that we have came up with, that we find that it looks similar like us somehow. So so I think this project really is fun, but it's a torturing process. But you will enjoy the fun with your teammate if you work together. Else you will find it's a torture throughout the sections, and you can't wait of getting out of it. But today, we want to say that I have this team with me together. I am proud to have them with me, and I want to thank them. So that's it. I'm going to end my speech. Thank you.